In this video, we're going to show parents a few quick tips and tricks to help parents manage, check, and understand how to see their students' grades and how to figure out what assignments have not yet been completed. The best way to do this is to log into BCPS1 and Schoology using your parent BCPS1 account. From here, you'll click your name in the top right corner and you'll choose the student you want to view from the list. When you choose the student, then you're going to go to Courses, and you're going to choose the course you want to look at, and then you'll choose Grades. And from this Grades tab, you'll be able to see a detailed list of all of the assignments that have been assigned to your child. Assignments will be broken down by grade category, so you'll see what assignments are in a minor category, a major category, and what assignments are listed as practice. From here, you'll be able to see any grades or scores that have been given. A line is either going to indicate that assignment hasn't been submitted or that it hasn't yet been graded. To check, you can click on the assignment itself, and it will direct you to that assignment in Schoology. So here I can see that nothing has yet been submitted. For assignments that have a digital Schoology component, like an assessment, for example, when you click, it's going to direct you to a page so that I'll see my child's grade if it's been scored, and I'll see that it's at least been submitted. That way, even if there's not a grade there, as long as I see that it's been submitted, that means my child has completed their assignment and it's just awaiting grading from the teacher. From here, I can use the breadcrumbs to go back to the class, to go back to the Grades tab, and I can continue reviewing assignments that my student needs to complete. Remember, parents cannot submit or complete student work from their parent account. When students are completing and submitting assignments, they need to log into BCPS1 and Schoology as themselves to complete their work.